ladies and gentlemen, we are gonna do something a little weird today, but you'll understand later on. So we are gonna jam this wood chipper. This will happen when you put in the wrong thing in the wood chipper. So this right here, you would think it would be able to handle it just fine. How long are these? I bet it's not gonna eat the whole thing, I guarantee that. It is gonna jam it probably midway, so it's about close to 6 feet. And this is a rotten piece of wood. It used to be on the fence right here. So this is a rotten piece of wood. It is gonna jam the wood chipper. I'm gonna show you what to do when you do jam it. So let's first go through the startup process. Open or close the clutch, I don't know what it is, but push everything to the right. Then go to the start position. Make sure that is at the lowest turtle position. And then you're gonna turn it. But before you do that, if you're having a hard time starting this wood chipper, make sure the emergency stop right here is not pushed down. As you can see, it is pushed down. To allow it to breathe and stuff, you just make sure that's up. That will get hit from time to time. Maybe a branch may hit it, maybe you might accidentally hit it. It's not a big deal. It will just slowly turn off your machine or will not allow it to start, which is awesome. I love that safety feature. So we have two ways to start this. We can do a pull start, we can do the electronic start. I'm gonna do electronic start and we're gonna jam this and see where it takes us. Let's go. As you can see, it did jam. It jammed right away. How much of this wood did it take when it jammed? So I said it was like 5 feet 11 before we put it in. We took about 11 inches and it jammed it. So do not put these in the wood chipper. So what do you do? What do you do when it is jammed? Well, first thing you need to do is make sure it is off. Everything is closed. You don't know how long it's going to take. And make sure you hit the emergency stop. There we go. So what you can first do is look down there. And you can see there is a lot of debris. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. You either need to get a long branch and put it down there to clear it out, because you don't want to put your dang hands down there. So we're just going to use this rotted branch. Make sure you take out the nails. You don't want to scratch up your machine. So we're going to pull out those nails and use this as a tool to go down there. So this is the first method to unjam it. There we go. So this is the first method to unjam it. So what you need to do is get down there, clear the way. See, there's a piece of branch or something down there, which is not a big deal. That would prevent it from turning, but that's just debris from a tree that I put down there, which is not a big deal. So you could reach your head down there and get it. There's a lot of safety things. You already have it off. It will not kickstart on. So that is one way. The other way is unscrew these two screws, open it up, clear the jam that way. You can do that on both sides of this machine, which is totally awesome. You could open up this side, you could open up that side. The other methods that I've used when it's jammed is just pulling the cord. So let's put it into, let's see if we can start it electronic way. Sometimes it just fixes itself. So let's go through the start press again. Go right, low. Turn to that position. Let's see if it just starts. It probably will. The other way is to manually pull the thing, pull the cord. So we're going to try electronic start. As you can see, it cannot start. So we're going to do the pull start. See if we can get it going, turning. All right, we cannot get it turning. We cannot get it going. So turn off all that. Now plan B. Let's go down there, see what happened. All right, looks like that piece of wood that I didn't say was a big deal. It is a big deal. As you can see, I'm turning the blade. It looks like, because what needs to happen for this to start is it needs to make a full motion. So it looks like this little thing is the reason that we are having the issues. A long claw would be really nice in this situation. I'm just realizing that now. Get yourself a long claw. And I'm trying to push it against the walls. And I cannot get that. You see that down there? I think that's our main culprit right there. Even though the wood post, you see how it moves freely like that? I wonder if I could just get into the wood chipper. No, I can't reach it. If you guys are wondering how tall I am 6'5". I cannot reach the blade. I have tested this multiple times, and I cannot reach the blade, which is really awesome, actually. Because you always hear those horror stories of people dying in wood chippers and stuff, and not wearing the right clothes or whatever. Long sleeve is a good pair of clothes to do when you're doing anything with trees, to be honest. So I'm going to try to use these two to grab it so I don't have to take it apart. Estimating it's like right there. Okay, we get it in the middle. Then let's put this stick around that. And in theory, we should be able to get it. Oh, and we dropped it. We dropped it. Come here, you stupid piece of wood. So I think this was the culprit right here and why it wasn't starting. Let's go through the start process again with electronic. Pull start didn't work because it was telling me, hey, I'm not turning. Now let's go. Oh, gotta remember that emergency switch. Turn it, twist it up. Remember, shut off process. All the way down to the tortoise there. Move everything to the left. Left. And as you can see, we fixed the jam. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends who's thinking of getting a wood chipper, and see you later.